Hello, friends. 2 years ago, I took a bold step and used Fiverr to help me to accomplish a goal that I had been dreaming of for 20 years. That goal was to self publish my own books, to be an author. I use Fiverr to help me with illustrations, editing, and book formatting to help me accomplish that goal. The video that I talk about this in, I'll drop it down in the description because that video has helped so many people. So the question on the table is, would I use Fiverr in 2025 to continue to self-publish? Let's break it down. In my original Fiverr journey, I hired a cover designer, a formatter, and an editor. Overall, the process worked out. My books were published, but some things were a hit and miss. But for the most part, everything went well. Since then, Fiverr has changed a lot. Now you'll see more Fiverr Pro gigs, higher pricing for quality freelancers, and even some AI assisted services. Here's what I've noticed. So, when you're talking about editing, with editing, you have more professional editors now, but some at a higher cost. But don't let that discourage you because there are, different ways that you can filter and get the prices that are in your price range. Also, there are 140,000 plus results for editors. So there are so many options for you, and they're at different price points. You have to do what's in your budget, which that's very important. That was something that I had to think about because I am retired. But there are options for you. And also, you can read the reviews and find the best person that you can work with. Another thing that is really, really great when we think about KDP and how you have to format your books and everything, it's really, really good that there are so many people that's their specialty. 26,000 plus results where they can help you format your books for KDP, because one of the issues is when you're uploading to KDP, there are certain guidelines that you have to follow. And so these people can help you find those guidelines and help you make sure that your book uploads correctly, which is very, very important. So now another important thing is your book cover. There are a lot of people, even though I didn't spell it correctly, excuse me, there are a lot of people on here, 16,000 plus, that can help you with your book covers. And look at all the different designs that they specialize in. You just have in mind what you want and they can help you, or either they can help you come up with it if you have no idea. And again, they're all at different price points. Prices have gone up, but so has the quality of top rated freelancers. So you're going to get a better quality product for you in your self publishing journey. So, what do I think helped me long term? I think really researching and vetting the people that you are bringing to your team is so important. I took a lot of time to look for a special editor to help me edit. Now, my first editor was not in Fiverr. I'm a part of a children's organization, and I was able to use one of their editors at a discounted price, which he was amazing because he had written in the genre that I was writing in. The next thing I did was I took a lot of time to look for my illustrator, and Jackson Muthoni was amazing. You know, he communicated with me, he asked me questions about my protagonist and the family so he could understand how to really create or help me create my story. So, what advice would I give new authors in 2025? The first thing is to check reviews carefully. I've really heard some horror stories of people investing money and not getting what they expected. Now, of course, Fiverr will correct these situations, but if you read your reviews carefully, that will tell you a lot about the person that you're going to work with. Um, don't just look at the cheapest gig. That may help you, but please, please, please read those reviews. Now, the second thing is use Fiverr for design and formatting. Those freelancers, they really shine when they can help you design and format, which I experienced that, and she is simply amazing. The third thing is invest more in editing, or at least hire someone you can test with a sample edit. But really, I think you need to have someone edit your entire book. Don't just have them just edit just a piece of it. Don't put anything out there unless you know that you've done a thorough edit on it. You won't regret that at all. And the fourth thing is budget realistically. Good work isn't $5 anymore. I mean, research, look at your budget, and figure out what works best for you. Now, I had to do a little bit at a time, and that's what helped me get started. Eventually, my husband said, "Here's a credit card, get your illustrations. It's going to take you forever." But I still had to pay that off. So, budget realistically if you want to get illustrations or editing or whatever you want to do in your self publishing journey. So, friends, if you'd like to see my original Fiverr self publishing journey with the exact freelancers I hired, check out the video in the description. And if you're publishing your own book this year, please drop a comment and let me know what your biggest challenge is. I'd love to help if I can. Also, friends, I have a step by step guide to self publishing. It takes you from beginning to end through the self publishing process. You can find that on my Shopify store. It is an ebook, and I will leave the link to my Shopify store in the description. I also have a free guide that is just a one-page handout that you can click on, give me your email, join my email list, get that handout that will walk you through each step just in a handout. Now, of course, the ebook explains more, but the handout is also a great guide for you. And friends, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. I really could use your help, and I am so excited to help others who want to join the self-publishing industry. All right, friends, take care.